Paul Rusesabagina. He was the manager of
I know him very well. I know the story.
Yeah, it's just for our viewers. He was brought back to Rwanda. We don't have time to go into all the details. He was convicted of terrorism, on terrorism charges, sentenced to 25 years in jail. Sentence was commuted last year. There was a lot of pressure, especially from the United States government at the time. He had signed a letter at the time when he said he would remain silent. He did so for several months, but he's recently come out saying, I'm not going to remain silent. The country needs me to speak out. He denounced you as a dictator and so on. First of all, what is your reaction to him coming out and publicly accusing you after vowing not to say anything?
Well, many things happened, and to be out there, I don't want